Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's December 10th, Monday morning, and grain market's under a little bit of pressure here today. Kind of continued follow through from Friday. We're seeing some weakness in the corn and the wheat, with soybeans tailing off here from earlier highs, but a lot of that has to do with just export psychology. The South Korea actually was tendering, put out a tender for corn, specifically not from the U.S., so that's creating some weakness there. And I think the other thing that we're looking at here this morning is weather. South America seems to have gone past the extreme focus of weather here by traders, but in South America, Argentina is expected to dry out this week. Brazil is expected to get rain where they need more rain. So kind of much better, not necessarily ideal conditions down there, but better conditions. And looks like the crop is moving along. The next thing that we're going to be watching for out of South America is going to be temperature. If we see higher temperatures toward the end of this month, when we get into pollination and more maturing of the crop, that will be a focus and could give us some more volatility at that time. The next thing we look at this week is tomorrow morning's USDA supply-demand report. We don't expect much change in the supply side of the equation. Don't expect USDA to change the U.S. crop at all. Historically, they do not mess with that on this report. They'll wait till the January report for that. They could adjust Argentina's production, and that's what traders are looking for a reduction in corn production, wheat production, even soybean productions in Argentina, possibly adjusting Brazil as well. So those are the things we're watching for. Don't expect a huge exciting move there, but usually when you don't expect it, that's when something will happen, so pay attention to that. The CFTC did announce the commitment of traders on Friday, showed that managed money added over 21,000 contracts of long positions to their corn, put them over up near 280,000 long, and they also reduced their size in wheat. They were down about 8,800 contracts there, and reduced the long positions in soybeans slightly by about 1,800 contracts. But remember, this is as of Tuesday of last week, and on Friday we had big funds selling in the corn, over 12,000 contracts. So adjustments could have been made since the market has gone down sharply since this early week numbers that we got from the CFTC. The Washington situation with fiscal cliff is still a major concern. Anybody that's watched news programs over the weekend, it's everybody has an idea of what will happen if this happens or that happens. We'll just have to wait and see. Trade is watching it very closely. We still think that some of the open interest is being reduced because of this problem that can't be solved or is not getting anywhere close at this point the way it looks. But that's going to affect us here over the next several weeks as we go into the end of the year. In the livestock trade, we had some more news that could be impactful to prices of U.S. Cattle and beef, or cattle and hogs, I'm sorry. The Japanese had said over the weekend that they're halting imports of Brazilian beef because of some link to BSE, and that is due to a protein that they found that could be attached to the BSE virus. So that's a concern there. Russia also announced that they are restricting imports of U.S. pork and beef, and that is due to some testing requirements that need to be accomplished, and that is causing some concern as well, and would expect with this news that we could see Livestock markets open steady weaker here this morning as they closed on a weak note on Friday. And if we sell off very much, we could get some more technical selling as well. So watch that very closely, and we'll keep you informed there the best we can. The box beef was lower on Friday. We're down $1.18 on choice, $1.31 on the select, and we've got pork down 14 cents on Friday. So a lot of things going on. Stay in touch with Allendale's research, and we'll keep you informed. If you got any questions, you can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day. We'll talk to you on tomorrow morning.